Make money from watching YouTube videos. Hey there, viewers! Welcome back to our channel, where we're about to reveal a groundbreaking method that's going to change the way you think about making money online. We're going to demonstrate how you can earn money by just browsing YouTube. The best aspect is that earning money doesn't even require watching the videos. It sounds too wonderful to be true, but we'll show you a few steps that will help you to earn. Remember, all the tools that we are going to mention in this video are completely free. Let's begin. 1. The very first step is to find a viral YouTube video, and for that, you will need a tool called vidIQ. All you need to do is open the tool, choose the video with the most views per hour, and copy the link of the most viewed video. You're going to use this video and the traffic from the video to actually send people to this video to watch it. 2. Once you have the link to the video, you need to download the actual thumbnail of that video, and for that, you'll need another tool called YouTubeThumbnailGrabber.com. Open the tool, paste the link of the YouTube video, and download the HD version of this thumbnail. 3. The next step is to edit the thumbnail in such a way that it can grab the attention of the audience, and for that, you'll be using a tool called Canva. Open the tool and customize the thumbnail image as you want. Make sure to adjust the width to 1080 and height to 1920. Hit Create New Design and add some highlights to the picture to make it attractive. For example, you can add words like must watch, viral video, or click here to watch the video, and so on. This is how you will get the image to encourage people to watch the video and get paid for it. 4. The next and very important step is to create an account on Pinterest. Click on Create Board and add the title according to the pins that you'll be publishing here. Now, tap on Create Pin and drag the download image here. Add the title to the pin and make sure it is attractive enough to increase the curiosity of the people to watch the video. 5. After adding the title of the pin, you'll be required to add a destination link on Pinterest, and for that, you'll be using another tool called shrinkme.io. This is a very important part, as this is where you'll be making money. You'll get to see people actually getting paid here once you open the tool. On ShrinkMe, you need to create an account for free by just adding the required details. After making the account, copy the link of the YouTube video you chose as the most viral video and paste it here. This way, you'll get a ShrinkMe link to the video. Just copy that link and go back to Pinterest, then post it where the destination link is required. Click on the Publish button, and once you do so, this link will be sent to the one who clicks, and that's how you will get paid per view. 6. Sometimes you might not be able to publish the pin, and Pinterest may send a spam notice. You don't have to worry, just use the very last tool called Linktree.com. All you have to do is copy the ShrinkMe link of the pin that you want to publish, add the title of your choice, and paste the link. This tool will work as a middleman and will provide you with a Linktree link of the pin that you can easily publish on Pinterest. That's a wrap for today's video. All the tools mentioned are absolutely free, and you can find the links to these tools in the description box below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And don't miss out on our future content. Click that bell icon to stay updated.